That was great! Get him!
Oh no! Attacking lemurs! Sorry, please! I can't take it! There are too many of you! Come on, pick out some on your own side! Stop! Help!
Aladar? You're not dead.
No.
All right, guys, break it up. Remember the courtship? You're gonna miss seeing all that smooching.
Oh, Mom.
That's okay, Pleo. We can smooch right here.
It's a shame you don't like kids.
Oh, nasty little vermin.
Go find Zenny. He's rehearsing pickup lines. Let's hope he's found some new material.
Hey, sweetie, if you'll be my bride, I'll groom you. That is good. Oh, it's good. Girls, I'm known as the Professor of Love. And school's in session. Yeah, I still got it.
I hope it's not contagious.
I'm a raging epidemic of romance.
Come on, hot stuff. Let's get going. You don't want to miss Yar's annual pep talk.
Oh, goody. I can't wait to hear the mating advice of an old monkey.
Hey, I heard that in his day, that old monkey was quite a swinger.
Talking about Yar?
Yeah. To hear him tell it, he put the prime in primate.
Really?